How to remove the BitLocker encryption on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss about 3 such commands by which you can check about the BitLocker encryption and also to decrypt or remove the BitLocker. So first of all, open your PowerShell on your Windows. Make sure to run it as administrator, and the first command that you have to check is manage BDE status. Once you copy paste this command, you can check if the protection is enabled or not. If the protection is on, you can remove the BitLocker encryption by the next command. You have to give the command of disable BitLocker mount point, and in the quotation box you have to give the drive letter that you want to remove the BitLocker from. Once that is done, finally you have to give manage BDE off on your desired drive. So that is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.